newly appointed Governor, Mark Carney, has already influenced BoE policymakers to change their decisions for more QE. David Miles and Paul Fisher had previously voted alongside former Bank of England Governor Mervyn King for more asset purchases, but they have since retracted their decision. July's MPC meeting minutes released on Wednesday suggested a retreat from QE and replacing it with alternative approaches focused on guiding financial markets. Vicky Redwood of Capital Economics says Mark Carney has united the committee around using forward guidance rather than more QE as a way to boost the economy. A looser policy would mean businesses and households would become more confident in borrowing and spending. However, financial markets were apprehensive on the new strategy and feared the BoE was mitigating stimulus. According to the MPC statement, if there was any move to forward guidance next month, there was no presumption that this would go hand in hand with a change in the policy stance. However, Kevin Daly of Goldman Sachs is sceptical and says it suggests to us that there is an increased probability of a change in policy stance next month. The meeting minutes released suggest there were three groups within the committee. One who wanted stimulus right away, another group who was keen on stimulus only if the recovery becomes exhausted, and the last group saw little need for more QE due to expectations the economy will continue to recover. For the small majority in favour of more stimulus, the minutes said the August MPC meeting would shed light on both the quantum of additional stimulus required and the form it should take. Jens Larsen, Chief European Economist at the Royal Bank of Canada, says forward guidance is in a way more stimulus since it's a loosening relative to where we are. There may also be a range of other policies more targeted at specific problems. But the IMF staff warned it is unlikely that this forward guidance by itself could instigate a recovery. Well, that concludes today's press review, but stay with us for more fundamental and economic news releases throughout the day.